I'll be going through the answers quickly, so make sure your course book is open in front of you, and please stop and rewind the video as you need to. So, got your book open in front of you? Are your answers in capitals? Want to know why the answers are the answers? Then let's go. For question number 1, slightly unusual language pattern here. Normally adjectives come before the noun that they modify, but here, given the language structure that we have, the adjective comes after the noun it modifies. And of course, we're looking for an adjective that modifies anyone, and the adjective is interested. Question number 2, once again, just have a look around the gap and you'll see the clues are right there. We've got a number of examples of the type of word that you need here. That is going to be a plural personal noun, and the answer is librarians. For question number 3, right before the gap, we've got a plural possessive noun. If we've got a possessive noun, it has to possess something. In other words, we need a noun of some kind. What's the noun that we need? Confidence. For question number 4, once again, we've got a plural possessive pronoun before the gap, which means that we need a noun right here. But which noun do we need? We've got a choice of 2. We can either say creativity or we can either say creation. Or can we? We can't. Of course we can't, because we're talking about the general ability in this case. So we're talking about creativity, not the thing that someone has made. So the only answer here is creativity. Question number 5, look at the language pattern. Find something plus adjective. In this case, we've got an adverb as well before the gap, which also indicates that we need an adjective of some kind. Which adjective do we need? Fascinating. No, the answer is fascinating. No, I mean the answer is fascinating. So never mind. For question number 6, let's have, as always, a look at the language patterns around the gap. In this case, it's give plus gap to some people. Well, you don't have to think too hard to think that this is going to be a noun of some kind, and given the context, it tells us that we need a plural noun. What's the answer we're looking for? Performances. Question number 7, we've got a gap which forms part of the linker which links the above paragraph to what follows next. Now, linkers are a great source for adverbs to be, and of course we need an adverb to complete this linker, and the adverb that we need is surprisingly, not surprisingly. Question number 8, just after the gap, we've got a noun phrase, number of courses. So here we need an adjective to somehow modify that noun phrase. Well, we've got 2 options that we can choose from. We can either say unlimited or we could say limitless, because the idea is that there is no limit to the number of courses.